In a small town, there lived two best friends, Kofi and Alex. Kofi was a talented young artist from a poor African-American family, while Alex came from a wealthy white family. Despite their differences, they shared a love for art and music. Together, they started a small business, creating and selling artwork on the streets. Their unique collaboration attracted many customers, and their business flourished. Tragedy struck one fateful night when a fire broke out in their workshop, destroying all their artwork and equipment. Kofi's family home was also damaged in the fire, leaving them homeless. Alex's family offered to help, but Kofi's pride wouldn't allow him to accept. Feeling defeated, Kofi considered giving up on his dreams. However, Alex refused to let his friend lose hope. He reminded Kofi of their shared passion and the impact their art had on the community. Together, they vowed to rebuild and create something even more beautiful. With determination and hard work, they started anew. This time, they involved their community in the creative process, hosting workshops and art classes. Their business flourished once more, but now it was not just about selling art. It was about bringing people together. Kofi's talent and Alex's support inspired many young artists in the community. Their stories served as a reminder that even in the darkest moments, friendship, perseverance, and creativity can lead to a brighter future. This tale of two friends shows that when we come together, despite our differences, we can create something truly beautiful and inspire others to do the same.